Hello everybody and welcome to the Accademia del Caffè Espresso. So while we wait for all of our friends to join us, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about Accademia. Follow me. This is the heart of La Marzocco, the place where it all started. An industrial building that was home to the company's factory from 1959 to 2009. Oh, thank you, my friend. Ah, delicious. Oh, by the way, this is a La Marzocco GS, the first double boiler espresso machine ever produced in the world. And it was made in here? Let's go. Today, the place is a center for coffee excellence, and it offers a multitude of opportunities. Here you can learn about history and evolution of La Marzocco in the museum area we're walking through right now. You can also learn about coffee origins and extractions, thanks to the many courses the Accademia offers. Aha, the Linea Classic. It was introduced in the early 1990s. And around the world, the Linea Classic has become a fixture in generations of cafes, starting with the third-place cafes popularized by Starbucks, and later with the third-wave cafes found from Melbourne to London. The Linea Classic has become the longest continuously produced espresso machine, not by chance. The simplicity, consistency, and reliability of the machine has led generations of cafe owners to choose it to power their own cafes. Oh, by the way, this guy here, this specific machine, has been in continuous use since 1992. Not bad, huh? Come on. The Accademia del Caffè Espresso is not just a museum. It's an open and lively space where you can find labs, training areas, and a research center. So if you ever happen to be in Florence, come and visit us. We'd love to have you. Oh, by the way, if you ever wondered what a coffee farm in Nicaragua looks like, well, it's exactly like that. Interesting, huh? And if you want more information, you can check www.academiaespresso.com. Come, there's a special event today. Hello, everybody. Come, come. Follow me to the home area. So here we are at the La Marzocco Accademia home area. So let me introduce you to Scott Guglielmino, the product manager, and Stefano Della Pietra, the product designer. And today it is our deep pleasure to welcome to the La Marzocco home family our newest machine in the home range. So, welcome Linea Micra. So, Scott, tell us a little bit about the features of this new machine.
So, when we started with the Linea Micra, our idea was a clear and simple ethos. Simplicity, consistency, and reliability. And starting with the machine, it's really easy to see that ethos throughout. When you start up the machine, it's ready to both brew espresso and steam milk in 5 minutes. Diving into the front of the machine, with this paddle, it's possible to brew espresso super simply, but if you want to dive in deeper and have a more full experience with your espresso, that's totally possible through our app, where you can do pre-brewing and pre-infusion, and of course all the other great features in the app. Additionally, for steaming, we have the ProTouch Steam Wand, which makes sure that you're not going to burn yourself when you're making the same type of milk that you would in a cafe. Now, inside of the machine is where it gets really fun for me. We have, of course, dual boilers, because we're La Marzocco, and a preheater. Both of those dual boilers are controlled by PIDs. That means that you have incredibly great temperature stability to make every drink at home in the morning. Additionally, talking about temperature stability, we worked a lot on how to make sure we could get the best temperature stability as fast as we could. So we redesigned the portafilter and created the convertible portafilter. With the convertible portafilter, you're able to, of course, convert between a spouted and a bottomless portafilter instantly, but we've also reduced the thermal mass. By doing that, the machine heats up and becomes thermally stable much faster. And from there, of course, inside uses La Marzocco componentry, the same style as all of our commercial machines, a rotary vane pump, and with that, it's built in our factory in Scarperia, just up the road from sunny Florence. And with that, if you want to learn about any more of the features, I'd invite you to visit lamarzoccohome.com, and on our website you can learn all about those features. Thanks.
Awesome.
Yeah, right.
Yes. So Stefano, tell us more about the materials and the design. And maybe I'll give you this, because it may be useful.
Thank you. So, from a design point of view, the machine keeps the same strengths that we have in our professional machines. The direct link is with the new Linea Classic. It's a link made by proportions, they are the same, but even by materials. So the body, the handles, and the boilers are realizing the same material that you can find in the coffee shops all around the world. Our biggest challenge from a design point of view was for sure to keep the ergonomics of a Classic in such a smaller space. So we worked a lot around the front panel, deciding like the dimension and the stroke of the paddle, the dimension and the position of the handles, and more in general, looking at the whole front panel in dimension and height to let the home barista always see the portafiltering section. In the end, the main material is always the stainless steel, but our engineering department made a huge job to reduce dimensions and weight, keeping the consistency that is typical of our brand. If you want to have some inspiration about kitchen designs or how this machine could fit in a kitchen, please visit our official Instagram channel, La Marzocco Home.
Fabulous. And also check out our open houses around the world this upcoming weekend. And if you can't visit us in person, check out our website, www.lamarzoccohome.com. I think that's all. Guys, you want to get a coffee?
Let's go have an espresso.
Let's go.